people, Joe here. You catch me on my off day renovating this room for my wife's studio. See, I'm just painting and all that, but you know, you come with the territory. So I got to do it, folks. You know, so I got the ceiling already. So I got to do the wall. Now I'm doing the closet right now. I got to take, used to have popcorn on here, and it's a mess to take that stuff off. You got to wet the ceiling, then you got to have a scraper to scrape it off. And folks, when you finish, it's a mess when you look on the floor. You just got to spray something on the floor to catch all that mess, but we get it done. I take out the floor, and it was carpet first, and then it was some old tile, and it was a pain. But it seems to be have asbestos and all that kind of crap. It's an old house, about what, 1964 or something like that? You know, so I'm just trying to get it tidy here and get this lady here a studio. She keep bugging me, when are you gonna do it? I keep asking you. I should give me time. A man got to do what a man got to do, huh? Hello people, Joe here. I'm driving around going to different Home Depot because this one don't have it, the other one don't have it. But I'm trying to get some peel and stick tile, 6x36 tile, but it's hard to, they only have two colors. I think it's a dark one. I don't like it. So they tell me go to the bigger store, they got more choices there, so that's what I'm going to do. And they got some mixed one that is, what you call it, that is, you peel it, but it's, you only stick on the edges, but it still could move. And I don't think I want that, so I'm going to drive around until I find it. I'll get back to you guys in a little while. Look folks, so much crap I got. You know, I keep this in because my wife, she always wanted to go to the beach. And it's not like she lived close to the beach. We live like 60 miles from the beach. But she got, I mean, you could dream. Like anything else, you could dream. But I ain't going to the beach every other week. Maybe twice a year. Next to her, she wants to go every week. So I tell her, why don't you just buy a house out by the beach? So she said, how could I buy that? I said, yeah, with money. Just have to make some money. Oh, I forgot my patcher. This is the patch. The holes, because I ripped the carpet up and it got a lot of holes in the cement, so I got to patch it with it. But that's it. Let's get going. Folks, let me tell you how I did the math to try to get the amount of tile for that room. The room is 10 by 10. The tile is 6 by 36. Right? So you times the 6 by 36 give you 216 square feet. Divide the 216 by 144 square feet, it gives you 1.5. That's how much coverage one tile give you. The room is 100 square feet by the room is 100 square feet by 1.5. You need 66 tile. The box have 24 in it, so 66 divided by 24 give you 2.7. So that's like a box. That's like 2 boxes and I would say 3/4. In that case, I get 3 boxes. I have to get 3 boxes anyway to cover it. Some got left over, but that's what it is. Folks, my youngest son, he moved out, he bought a house. So his room left available. So I remodeled the room and my older son take it over. So the room that my son was in is a smaller room. It's only 10 by 10. So I clean up everything, take the popcorn off the ceiling and clean it up, paint it up and all that stuff. But what I'm doing with that now is to turn it into a studio for, but so I'm out here today, try to get these style, which I did. I get 3 boxes. So I'm going back home now and lay them down and see what happened. You see, folks, this all around here is where the carpet used to be, the nail. You see, they got a nail, a strip of wood with the nail up so you could catch on the carpet. And so what happened, when you take it up, it left some hole in the it ripped the concrete out. So I got to fill them in and let it dry before I put the tile down. Because if you just put the tile down like that, you're going to see a lot of little up and down holes. You see like gullies in there. They look like crap. And this is one way I can. I come out here and eat something, but I got a watchman watching me here. I want to eat up my food. Everything I eat, she want to eat. And Cora. I'll give you a little piece. Gotta eat up my food because I don't eat your food out. Okay? Here. This little puppy right here is Coraline. Huh? You eat anything that Grandpa have, huh? Anything. Eat my apple. Sometimes I sit outside. I say, well, I'm going to enjoy an apple. Nope. She want half. Got my peanuts. She want me to break it for her. And I like her. About my chicharrones. She eat it up. She eat up everything I got. She do what my wife don't do. Okay, people. What you want? You don't want to get up, that's your problem. I give you peace, but you don't want to get up. You want me to bring it. Huh? Come on, Wednesday. Come here, Wednesday. Come. Praise and peace. I'll give you peace. You act like you're starving. Hmm? Hey folks, this dog eats better than me. She get her chicken cooked, her rice cooked, her vegetables and all that kind of stuff. Tell you what, she eat better than me. And she acting like she don't eat nothing. Huh. They want to eat up the little I have. Don't understand. Folks, I'm eating salbuches. It's chicken. It's a fried corn masa with cabbage, stewed chicken, tomato, and some hot pepper. And even though you're hot, I still eat it. Huh, Caroline? You still eat it, huh? Yeah. I was going to give you a piece, but you don't want to come. Look here, folks. She want a piece. Look, I gotta go and take it to her. Look at it. No, Caroline. No, not yours. When you first started to lay the tile down, they say you're supposed to start in the middle. So we just laid down just to make sure we have the right pattern. And we find out when we get to the end, we have less than 6 inches. We got maybe like 3 inches, and that's not gonna look good. So we started from here, lay it down one after the other, and we get to here, and we add on that piece there. That's like, I'll say like 12 inches. Right here to here, from here to there to the end is like 12 inches. So we stagger it again. We come here, because we start here, and we start here like 12 inches. And we lay it down, we put one here, all the way. See? So this went out, then we went back. Then we stagger it again, 12 inches here again, see? From here to here. And that's the way we do it. And once you start that way, just keep on going back and forth, and the pattern just sit right in. So that's what we did, folks. When you get to the east end and the west end, it started to make a different pattern, but that's because the room is not square. So you see right here, the distance from here to here is narrower than the regular tile. So what you got to do, you got to cut the tile to suit the area, and then you put it in. Now let's do the reveal. Look here. My wife put some furniture in here. She put a, what thing you call it, or something, a fainted chair, whatever, I don't know. And she put this chair in here. This is a little chair that I make for her when you get in, you see. I make this little chair here. And it's really nice and comfy. You can sit right in here, relax, have a cup of coffee or maybe a beer, watch TV. Yeah. But it turned out to be all right. Not say all right, marvelous. Folks, don't forget to check out one of my other videos right over there.